So let's go back to our Canva and recreate it. Now this is our Canva. Let's go back there. Let's wait for it to load. So this is our Canva. So this is how I placed it now, because what we are dealing with is paperback, of which the code should appear somewhere here. Alright, but let's resize it. Click at these three dots at the top here. Let's resize. Click at this resize. Then click at custom resize. Let's click there. Let's click at this drop down arrow and select centimeter and check how it will be. Centimeter 42 points. Alright, so let's select inch and check what inch will give us. 16 points. Okay, so what we'll be changing is this now in inch. We'll be changing in inch. Right, so this is a paper size. This is the paper size, so we'll be changing in inch. So select inch. Let's retype it from here. So we'll be entering 11.25. Okay, let's retype it from here. Be entering 18.151. 18.151. Then let's also change this to 11.250. 11.250. Right, now let's resize. Click at this resize design. Firstly, let's lock this. Let's lock it. Click at this key sign here. Padlock to padlock it. Then click at resize design. Let's resize the page. We have resized the page. Let's check what it gave us. Sorry for this. Let's check what it gave us. Sorry. So this is it. Alright, so I recreated it again with Canva. I changed the size. Let's check if this one will enter now. The next thing I did was to upload the two of them in one page. Let's go back there and check what it will give us. Right, all we'll be doing here is to click at this download. Let's click at this download. Click at download PDF standard. Let's go there. Let's click at download PDF standard. Now, after download, we then upload it to our Amazon KDP. Let's wait for it. So the next thing we are going to do here is to send it to our WhatsApp. Let's send it to our WhatsApp. Let's go there, so we can know how to arrange it. So we have sent it to our WhatsApp. So all we have to do here is to go over to our WhatsApp. Let's go over to our WhatsApp to get it. Alright, so this is it here. This is the file here. So let's click there and open it with our WPS. Let's wait for it to open. So this is our file. Now all we have to do here is to alright, so we got to delete one. I forgot that I have another blank space here. So let's go over to Canva and delete one. Because I don't need the other one. I'll be uploading only this one. So all we have to do here is to go here, click at it, then click at this, and click at move to trash. Right. Oh, we deleted everything. We deleted it, but we got to recover it. Let's click here to recover it back. Click there, then click at this trash. Let's check trash. So this is the item we deleted. We have to recover it back. Let's restore it. Click at restore. Let's restore it. So we have restored it. Let's go over to our home. So this is it. Sorry. This is it here. Let's click on it. This is it. Let's wait for it. So all we have to do is to delete the second one. Delete this second one. Click at these three dots here. These three dots here. Let's go there. Then click at delete page. Let's delete the page. So we now have only one page. Now let's download it. Download. Wait for it. Alright, so we have gotten what we want. So let's go over to our WhatsApp and send it here. Let's wait for it. Now send it here. Let's wait for it. So we have sent our design. Let's go over to WhatsApp. Go over to WhatsApp and get it from there. Alright, so I have to open it from here. Let's open it without wasting much of our time. Let's open it. Wait for it to open it. So we have it here. We have our document here. So let's go back. So it's this one on the top here. This one on the top here. Let's go back to Chrome and pick it. Let's go back to Chrome and pick it. Wait for it. Now all we'll be doing your network a little bit disturbing. Now all we'll be doing here is to re-upload the file. Let's re-upload the file. Alright, let's choose from our WPS. So is this first one at the top here? Let's wait for it. Uploading file. Let's wait for it. So we have uploaded it. Now the next thing we have to do here now is to go over and launch it and check what next they will say. Click at launch. Continue launching. Let's launch it so it can be approved. Wait for it a bit. Yeah. Alright, so this one was definitely approved. This one was approved. You can see it was very, very approved. Understand? So here now you have to click approve. So if you click approve, you now go back and save and continue. They said quality check. So our work now here is done. We have no business again with this one. Right, so click at approve. Click at this approve here. Click at approve. Let's go over there. So our work here now is very, very approved. Very, very approved. So you can see it. You can see our work. You can see what the paper we uploaded now. Right. Now at the end of it, they said, learn more about printing costs on KDP. Your printing cost, they said printing cost is 31.72, something like that, per book on Amazon.com. Printing cost. Alright, so you can see they said here, ink and paper type premium color interior with white color. Then here now they said lead setting PDF only, paperback cover, glossy, trim size 8.5 times 11 inch. Then we also have the page count 384, something like that. Now you can see the prices, the price tag of a printing through Amazon KDP. Let's save and continue and check what is in the next page of it. Alright. Okay, let's check this. Let's check this and click continue. Alright, let's click on save and continue. We are almost there, so successfully saved. We have successfully saved our paperback. So here now is where we set the price. So our book will be selling on all territories. Alright. So we set the price from here. Here now you can choose your primary. Place of sale and choose your primary place of sale. So here let's click at this place. Click there. Let's set the price. For now we'll be selling for $10. Alright, so they said minimum is $52, maximum is $200. All right, so let's set the price to $70. $70. So this is the price for here. So we set it at $70. So I'm not the cost of this one. They say the minimum is $52, while maximum is $250. So we set the price to $70. Now, after setting the price, you see, once you set the price at the top here, it will all reflect at this space euro, both yen or anyone, and the pounds. It will reflect here. Now, here now we got to click on. Publish your paperback. Let's publish our paperback. Wait for it. So successfully saved. So we have successfully published our paperback. Now they say the smart way of your paperback has been submitted. Your book will be checked against KDP's guidelines. During this time, you won't be able to make changes to your book. After passing review, we will send you an email. It can take up to 72 hours before your book becomes available on Amazon. For low content books, it can take up to 10 business days. Books with a scheduled release date. So they said will be made available on the date you specified. So we have finished setting up our paperback. So let's click at done. Click at this done here. Let's click at done. So that is that for here. Alright, so I believe this is all you need to know concerning selling your book on Amazon. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks. So after 72 hours, I got an email from them concerning my paperback. They said, hi, we checked your files and found issues you need to fix before your book can be published in KDP. Now, number one issue is the cover. They said resize the background or image on your front cover so that it extends 0.125. This is because I entered it as bleed. So because of some images there, so they said I should extend the image size. I should add 0.125 to it. Now, beyond the trim line, all covers must be sized for bleed, which means you need to add an extra 0.125, equivalent to 3.2 millimeter along the top, bottom, and side. So this 0.5 now, we add it both to the width and to the height and to the size everywhere of your cover file. Once you have increased the size of your cover, extend any images or background that you want to reach all the way to the edge of the page, 0.125 beyond the trim line. This prevents manufacturing issues when the cover is trimmed to size. And here you can see they said watch their tutorial video which explains trim size, margins, and bleed. Learn more about bleed. Alright, so the next one is resize the background or image on your back cover so that it extends 0.125 beyond the trim line. All covers must be sized for bleed, which means you need to add an extra 0.125, which is equivalent to 3.2 millimeter along the top, bottom, and size of your cover file. Once you have increased the size of your cover, extend any images or background that you want to reach all the way to the edge of the page, 0.125. That is equivalent to 3.2 meter beyond the trim line. This prevents manufacturing issues when the cover is trimmed to size. Now here they say fix the orientation in your cover file or update the details you entered during setup so that the reading direction of the cover matches the reading direction you entered. A reading direction of left to right was entered, but the front cover is on the left of the spine. So you understand what they said here now. My front cover was placed first instead of my back cover. It's supposed to be that my back cover should be placed first, because while reading, we read from left to right, so that the front cover will not be an obstruction looking somehow, or maybe my front cover facing downwards instead of upwards. So this is what they meant here. And at the downside here, they said where possible we give pages numbers with examples to make sure your entire book meets our guidelines. Please review your entire manuscript file and fix all issues. To update book details, go to your KDP bookshelf if you update your manuscript or cover. So if you want to update it, you go to your KDP, Amazon KDP, to update it. There you will see continue setup. Then click at it to upload the document. That's what they meant here. So here now, what I did here was to go over to my Canva. I went to my Canva. Let's go over to Canva. I went over to my Canva. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, this is my Canva. All I did here now, remember, this my front cover was placed here before. It was placed there before, so I interchanged it. I interchanged the back cover. I made the back cover to come first, then the front cover the second. Alright, the last. That is the front cover, the last. And another thing I did there was to go over to this three dot at the top here. Go over to it. Then click at this resize. Click at this resize. Then remember, my first size was 18.151 times 11.25 inches. Then I added 0.125 here, making it 18.276 times 11.375 inch. Remember, you add the 0.125 to both the width and the height. So that was what I did. After that, I resized it. Then I clicked at this download. Clicked at the download here. Clicked at the download. Then I clicked at this arrow facing downwards here. Clicked at the arrow. Then clicked at it to be saved as JPG file. I saved it as JPG file. Then all we have to do is to click at this download here. Let's click at the download. Then I downloaded it. Instead of downloading it as PDF standard, I downloaded it as JPG file. Let's wait for it to load so that we can go over to our 𝙔𝙊𝙼𝙬. Alright, our image is being downloaded to our file menu, our file manager. Now let's go over to our 𝙔𝙊𝙼. We go over to 𝙔𝙊𝙼, click at 𝙔𝙊𝙼. This is it here. This is the 𝙔𝙊𝙼. Let's go over there. Click at 𝙔𝙊𝙼. Now all I did here was to go over to this downside. Come over to this place. Remember, this is where you can pick shapes from, but this is where you can select the background. The image we just downloaded to our file manager, we are going to be uploading it as a background there. So all we have to do is to click. So all we have to do here is to click at this from gallery. Firstly, I clicked at this. Then next thing is to scroll to the right and then click from gallery. Let's click from gallery. Let's pick our background. This is the image we just downloaded now. But let's make it our background. So this is it. But before then, this is not how I'm supposed to set it. Let's go over to Canva again. This is Canva. Wait for it a bit. Let's set what we are supposed to set. Now at this Canva now, all we are supposed to do here is to click here, drag this upwards, then set it. Then let's drag this also upwards. Make sure their size is the same and they are placed at normal condition. Then all we have to do is to shift it. Let's shift it a bit. Shift it. Now let's check the sizes. Click at this position. Click at advance. Now here now is this one here now. The size is 6.6 inches, while this one is 10.31 inches. Alright, this is the width and this is the height. Now let's check on this as well. Let's check this. Now you can see that this one is 6.65 inches, while the height is 10.4 inches. Now we'll be setting them to normal. Firstly, let's click this and add 5 here. Let's add 5 here. Now we'll be leaving it like this. The width 6.65, the height 10.31. Alright, now this one, let's set it 10.31 here. 31. Alright, now if you set it finish, all you have to do is to click at lock to lock it. Let's lock it. Alright, so we have locked it. This one, we also locked it. All right, so we have set the size to be the same. Now the next thing we are going to do is to check their position. Check their position. Click at this notch here. Now this one, let's also click at the position. All right, let's go there. Oh, let's drag this to occupy the space. Let's drag it to occupy the space. Let's drag it to occupy the space. Drag it to occupy the space. Let's drag it to occupy the space. Now, so now all we have to do is to click at save. Let's click here to save it as normal image. All right, click there, you save it. To save it. Now after saving it, you go over to your 𝘋𝘍𝙑. Let's go over to our 𝘋𝘍𝙑. Go over to your 𝘋𝘍𝙑. Let's still select the background again. Let's select the background again. Select the reason why we are selecting from background is to make it to be of the same size. Now this is it. Let's select it. All we have to do now, actually we might not make use of this. All we have to do here is to make the color white. Let's scroll to the left, which is this. Click at that color, make the background color white. Let's click mark good. Now come over to import. Let's come over to import. Click at import. Let's import our files from afresh. Import your files from afresh. Now the next thing we are going to do here now is to select the pictures. Select the picture that you need. Let's select this first. Select this first, then drag this. Remember to place it normal. Now the next thing we are going to do here is to select another picture. Let's import another picture. Click at import. Let's go over there. Select this here now. Let's select this here. Right, let's select this. Now drag this to position it normal. Now check the size of this. Let's check the relative size of this. That is 34:87. Let's add. Okay, let's reduce and 34:87. Now we make it 40. 40:87. Let's also make this one 40:87. 40:87. All right, I believe you're understanding what I'm doing. Then all we have to do here is to put them to a center position. Remember I clicked here to appear here. All right, now the next thing is to click here to center them in normal alignment. Then mark this. All right, mark this good. Then click at this. Click here. All right, click here now. Click there to position them to a normal position. Click at this sign here to position them, both of them, to the center position. Position both of them to the center position. All right, we have selected both of them and positioned them to the center position. All we have to do here now is to lock them. Click at this to lock them. Let's lock them so that they will not move. It will not move again. So they are now at the center position. The next thing we are going to mark good. The next thing we are going to do here now is to click anywhere here to deselect any of them, because we have locked them. It will not move again or select again. Now the next thing is to pick shapes. Then drag this shape to suit what we want here. Drag this shape to suit the middle side. Believe you are getting what I'm doing. If you drag the shape to suit the middle side, after you must have dragged the shape, you go over to color. Let's go over to color. Let's pick color. Remember, we are trying to do something. This is red, is your default color. Then the next thing we are going to do, after you must have clicked at color, click at this gradient. click at gradient. Let's click at gradient. Then let's pick color from here. Pick color from here. At this gradient, what we'll be doing at this downside, what we'll be doing here now is to pick color. Select color. Click here to pick color from background. Let's pick color from background. All right. Or let's pick color from any of this. From any of this. We pick color from any of this. Then mark good at the top here. Let's go over there. Then select this. Click at this to select it. Select it. Then click at this same color. Let's go over and pick color. Let's pick color from here. All right. Let's pick color from anywhere here. Anywhere here. Let's go over there. Right. Click good. Let's go there. Then let's also duplicate this. Click at this or anyone and click at this plus sign to duplicate it. Let's duplicate it. Then click at this center one. Then click at color. Pick color from the middle. Let's pick this color. All right. So this is what we have now. Here we have gotten what we want. Then click OK. Are you seeing the middle part of it? Are you seeing the middle part of it? Then the next thing we are going to do here is to position this normal. Let's say the relative size. Click at this relative size of this. Then mark this. Or let's set it normal. Right. So the next thing is to set the inner shadow. Click at inner shadow of this. After you must have clicked at inner shadow, then set this to -2, -2 and +2. Let's check what it will give us. I believe you are getting what we are doing here. Let's set the relative size once more. Now let's center align it. Center align it. So you can see what we have here. I believe you are getting what. So this represents the middle side. This represents the middle side. Then the next thing we are going to do is to the same thing we did here. The same thing we did here. We are going to be adding it both to the edges here. To the edges. To the edges here. We'll be adding it to the edges here. Both downside and the rest. Now, after you must have added this, I will show you how it will look like. Now, without wasting much of our time, you duplicate this, then add it here. Make sure you drag it down. Make sure you drag it down. Now, make the color to look alike. Go over to color. Set the color to gradient. Pick the color that you want. Still the same thing. Let's go over there. So let's pick color. Pick color from this. Pick color from this. Mark good. Let's go. Then the next thing, click at this middle one. Let's pick color at the same time. Pick color from this at the middle side. Let's mark good. Mark good. Now the next one is this one. This one. Let's pick color from the upside. From the upside. Alright. From the upside. Mark good. Alright. Now, so you can see what we have here. Now, this is what we have here. Then the next thing, let's remove it from inner shadow. This one, we don't have to put it for inner shadow, something like that. Now, the same thing is applicable to this. Duplicate this. Duplicate this and rotate it. Rotate it. Rotate it. Bring it downwards. Bring it downwards. Let's resize it. Resize it. Resize it. Come over here. Alright, so this is what you will be doing. Make sure it doesn't cover your ISBN number. Now, if you click there, then the next thing is to resize it. Let's resize it. Resize it. Let's resize it. Now let's go over there. Alright, let's push it forward. Push it forward. Alright, so I believe you are getting what I'm doing here. After that, you also pick the color. Pick color from gradient. Now let's set set it to the middle. Now remember, this is this here. This one here now is this here. While this center is this middle, and this here is this. Alright, so let's go. So this one here now, let's click at it, then click at this. Let's pick color from this down side. Pick color from here, mark good. Now let's go at the middle here. Let's pick color. Let's pick color from the middle here. Pick color, mark good. From the middle here, mark good. Alright, now let's pick color again. Pick color from the middle of this back. Alright, so mark good. Click OK. Then here also pick color from the extreme of this. Mark good. Let's go there. Alright. So this is what you have. After everything, you drag this. After everything, you drag this at the middle to the extreme. Now off this first. Then set the position to reach down. Then let's shift it up a bit. Also drag it down. So drag it down. Relative size, also drag it down. I believe you are getting what I'm doing. Drag it down, then shift it up a bit. Now drag it up a bit. Now this is what you will be doing. Make sure you do it. Let me show you the outcome of the one I have already done without wasting much of our time. Alright. Let me pause it and show you. So alright, so this was the one I have already done earlier. This is the one I already did earlier. The same steps I made use of it, the same step I made use of here. Just that there are some certain things I did here which I did not show you. I choose color, I choose square, then recolored it here. You can understand what I did here better. Now all these things you are seeing at the top here are all squares. I added the line recently. I added this, then blended it, added these edges, blended it, added this, blended it. Then I also added a square or rectangle here, and then blended it to this color here. Then this side also is the same shape I collected and added it side by side to the edges. So that was what I did. So to blend it, this was what I did. Let's click here. Let's click there. This was what I did. These are all the blending I made to this. I added all this to the edges here. I added all that to the edges here now. Yeah, so that you not notice the line of the shape I made use of, or the square I made use of. So how can you get the blending? Now the way you can get the blending is to click at this icon here, then select these shapes. Click at shapes. Then if you click at this shape, all you have to do here now is to click at stroke width. Then reduce the opacity of this. If you reduce the opacity of this, you go down, then increase the blur reduce. If you increase the blur reduce, then you drag these edges. You drag these edges here now. You drag the edges, this edge here now, to the deepest down. Drag it down. Can you see what I did? Then after that, you can click at this good. Click at this good. My good. Can you see the blending? Then you can raise the size or reduce the size. Then keep it at the edges. Then if you want to change the colors, you have picked that. As you have picked the blending, you want to change the color, just click at this color sign. Click at the color sign. Unlock it. That is, if you unlock it, it will pick the default color. Don't worry about that. Then all you have to do is to go over to this. Make use of this color here. Click the color here. Scroll up. Then click at this plus icon here. This plus icon. Click at the plus icon. Then select color. Select color from background. Let's select color from background. This is the color. You can select color from background. Then click good. Let's go and check. Alright. Let's pick color. Select color again from background. We made a mistake. This is where it's supposed to be. Then select color from background. Click good. So that is that for it. So here now you can then reduce the volume or the size of it. and place it so that it will not indicate the square or the shape you selected. That's what you will do here. You will do here. You will do at the edges. You can also as well do that here, even downwards here, depending on what you want. So that's how I did that. And I also did that here. I picked this color and make it look exactly the same here. All right. So that is that for this, and that's how you can blend your image or your color design to look exactly as the same. Then after you must have done it like this, you click at these three dots here. Click at the three dots. Click at export image. Click at ultra. Then click at save to gallery. Alright. So after doing this, after you must have done this like this, after you must have done it like this, then you have saved it to your gallery, you go over back to your Canva. Go to your Canva back. Canva. Let's wait for it. Then at this Canva now, all you'll be doing here is to re-upload. That. Delete this. Then click here and replace. That's what you'll be doing here. We'll replace this to this. Let's replace it to that. Then click there and replace it. So this is our work. This is exactly our work. Then the next thing you're going to be doing here, remember, this is a normal thing that Amazon wanted. Now, the next thing you're going to be doing here is to click this upside so we can save it as PDF. Click there. Then click at this download. Let's click at download. Click here. Then click at this PDF standard. After you must have clicked at this place, click at PDF standard. Then click download as PDF. So what you do here is to save it to your WhatsApp, as I have shown you. You can save it to your WhatsApp so you can open it with your WPS. Save it to your WhatsApp. Let's save it to our WhatsApp. Alright, so this is the document. Let's open it and open it with your WPS. Alright, let's wait for it. So this is it here. This is our file here. You can see how neat it is. You can see how neat we created it. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do here is to go back. So let's wait for it so you will see it. Alright, so it is this first one. I've shown you how to upload it to your Amazon. So the next thing you're going to do is to go over to your Chrome and select this and post it as your book cover. Send it there, post it as your book cover, re-upload it there. Then and wait for their feedback. So that is what you have to do here if you encounter any issues. Thank you, and God bless you. Have a wonderful day. I believe this is all you need to know concerning entering your book to Amazon. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Right. So after 72 hours that I re-uploaded my back cover, I got another email from Amazon. Remember, we blended our work and redesigned it and made it look good and preferable. And after that, we re-uploaded it. I re-uploaded the work, the paperback, and then submitted it, waiting for their approval. Then after 72 hours, I got another message, another email from Amazon KDP. Alright, so let's open the message and know what they said. Now let's click at it. They said, congratulations, your paperback, The Smart Way of Becoming a Millionaire, is published on Amazon. If you republished your book with updates, your changes are now live. So that is what we got. So our book is now live, and every of the manuscript and our written work, PDF, everything is now live on Amazon. Alright, so they said what next? Availability. It takes up to 3 days for Amazon.com and up to 5 days for other marketplaces to show as in stock. That is up to 3 days for Amazon to start displaying your work on Amazon and for you to start selling massively on Amazon, and up to 5 days for other marketplaces to show it as a stock. Now the next thing that is next is linking. The detailed pages of your book, print book and ebook should link within 48 hours. But it can take up to 5 days. See requirements for linking, something like that. Now, product description. It can take 24 to 48 hours to appear on the detail page. Now, look inside the book. This feature will be available in 9 to 10 business days. Book details, changes to contributor, series name, series number, page count, description, keywords, and browse categories take up to 72 hours to appear. They say learn more about publishing timelines. Now, publishing resources, other copies. You can order author copies of your paperback at printing costs. All right. Now you can repurchase or purchase your copy at the price that they are releasing the copy with. Now, KDP community, here you can ask questions, learn from other experience indie authors, as well as stay up to date with KDP announcements, new features, and share feedback. You can visit their community. All right. Author page, increase your sales potential on Amazon by creating an Amazon Author Central account, where you can share up-to-date information with readers through your author page. We have already created this author page, so they are still reminding me that you can increase your visibility through your author page. Already have an account, make sure you claim all of your books, including this one, ebooks. Now, publish your title as an ebook to reach customers who prefer reading in digital. Earn up to 70% royalties on ebook sales. Enroll your ebook in KDP Select to reach more readers and earn additional royalties through Kindle Unlimited and the Kindle Owners Lending Library marketing tools. You can make use of their marketing tools I've shown you earlier before. See programs for promoting your book, including paid advertising on Amazon. Now, audiobooks. The audiobook creation exchange ACS makes it easy to turn your book into an audiobook and reach more readers. Learn more about ACS. So you can turn your book into ACS, audiobook transmission. All right. So that is that for this. So our book is now highly available on Amazon. Let's go back and check on our book. Let's check on our book. Let's type in Amazon. Okay, let's make use of this here. Amazon Kindle login. Let's click there to login. Click there to login. Wait for it a bit. Alright, we are almost there. Let's wait for it a bit. So let's click here. Let's click here. Let's click there to load our page. Wait for it a bit. This is it. This is it. Let's zoom a bit. You can see that our book is now live both on Kindle Crate and our paperback is also live. This paperback means people who bought it or who got it from Amazon can be able to read it digital, and also they can also get a print of it. That is, Kindle Crate, we publish the book and print it. That is, they print it and can be able to sell it throughout Amazon stores. Alright, so you can see the price. You cannot set a price below $50. So you can see the price $80 because I changed the price when I uploaded the paperback. So you can see I have done everything I want to do, and here now you can click at these three dots if you want to edit or you want to do anything. Let's click there. You see edit your print book details, edit print book content, edit print book pricing, request printed proofs. Okay, you can also request for printed proofs. Other author couples, promote and advertise, achieve title, manage series, unpublished print book. You can unpublish it, but we are not unpublishing it now because we are just entering it. We have just entered it to Amazon. Now here you can also unlink books. So this, I believe this is all you need to know concerning adding or placing your book on sale on Amazon.com. So you enter your book, you sell your book through Kindle Crate, and you create and publish your book through Kindle Crate, Amazon Kindle Crate. Then you can now sell it all over Amazon store. So that is that for this video, and this is the grand finale of the video. God bless you and have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you and God bless you.